Danke. Welcome to Secondhand Shopping for Beginners. Secondhand shopping has always been a way for me to dress individually and to live out my need for fashion consumption in a more eco-friendly way. The demand for well-preserved secondhand clothing increases. So in this video, I will explain how to retain control within these piles of clothing and to find the treasures in between. Hi, my name is Jana Reiche. I'm a fashion designer from Berlin, Germany, and here are my 5 tips for second-hand shopping beginners. In a thrift store, almost every piece of clothing is unique. There's an overload of impression. So my first tip is predetermine what you want to buy. How am I supposed to know what's in the store? Approximately so. We imagine an outfit in our head. I give you an example. I would like to combine my high-waist blue jeans with a tucked-in blouse. It would be nice to wear my red summer sandals with it. So the first shopping task is find a blouse that can be tucked in and that matches red and blue. It would be nice to find a blouse that has a summer pattern with stripes or flowers and has lightweight fabric. This is a good starting position. In the store, we will go directly to the rack with the blouses. And now the work starts. We have to take a look at every blouse. Let's get to the next tip. My second tip is buy good quality. The goal is to recognize a material by its feel and looks. You would take it between your finger and say, "Oh, it's cotton." Until then, we take a look on the composition label on the lower left side, inside of a garment. If the composition tag says cotton, wool, linen, silk, rayon, you can go for it and buy it. A mix is cool for the beginning. So you take a look at the tag and it says 100% polyester. Don't buy it. I can make a video about fabric composition if you like. So here's my third tip. Buy anti-cyclical. Imagine today is the very first really cold day of fall. What happens? Everyone runs off to buy winter clothes. Wouldn't it be nice if you just need to open your closet and there it is, your new winter coat? Try to find this winter coat in summer. It might even be on sale. If you enjoy fashion, it will be easy for you to know what colors and styles will be trending in half a year. Or just go and look for a classic. Here's the next tip. Be open for any size. A lot of clothes made its way to the secondhand shop because it did not fit the buyer. There's a good chance it runs not true to size, but too small or too large. If you're open to not hold on to that size label inside the garment, then this is your chance to find a treasure. Back to our blouse example. You take 1, 2, even 3 sizes larger than your regular size into the changing room. One day, you will be able to hold up a garment and know if it fits you or not. And don't be afraid of extra large sizes. They can create an exciting look. My fifth and last tip, fix it. Looking neat requires some work. This includes tasks like washing, ironing, altering, and fixing. Let's say we find a blouse with an awesome pattern that we love, but the sleeves are too narrow. Think about removing the sleeves and making it a sleeveless blouse. If a button is missing, see if there's an extra button attached to the composition label inside the garment. Ironing makes a huge difference. The garment feels good to wear and it looks properly and worthy. Ironing can be meditative too. Try to listen to music or podcasts. So, that was my first educational video. I hope you liked it. If yes, please give me a thumb up and get in touch by writing comments below this video. Love from Berlin. Bye.